Hello, everybody. With this lockdown period, we are facing a lot of difficulty. Student community is facing a lot of difficulty with no good classes being conducted, though all colleges and universities have planned for online sessions, but still, due to the network issues, textbook issues, and other such technical errors, students may not be able to attend all the live classes by the faculty. And with this difficulty, we thought of solving it to the best possible. And here, with Tadvidya Sambhasha National Level Conference, has organized live sessions for all UG and PG students to benefit them, to prepare for the examination and to understand the concepts. Many unknown, very wise faculties who are very well known to the globe, to the nation, to the state, will be taking the sessions over here. You can drop questions, they will be answering at the end of the sessions. They would definitely help you to extend with question papers in between. We would give hints even for the internees to prepare well for the PG entrance exams. National level and state related deemed university exams may also be included for this. Sessions will be on all subjects starting from first year till final year BMS, covering major concepts. Our view and motto is to cover up maximum subject of the syllabus so that students get benefited during this lockdown period. And as the sessions will be live, the students can be live and interact with the faculty, whoever is dealing with the topics, and can get their doubts clarified. Student community is again and again informed, requested to stay tuned to Tadvidya Sambhasha page and Tadvidya Sambhasha Parishad Facebook account for further details, regular sessions. Even to help the student community, we are taking the modern faculties to narrate basics of modern science, because as per the CCM syllabus, even modern part is also included in clinical subject like gynecology, pediatrics, surgery, medicine, anesthesia. Such topics from modern person will be dealt, and a port will be given for all modern faculty who are interested, who are well known, and modern subject will be introduced by the modern people itself. So not only concentrating on Ayurvedic parts, definitely Ayurvedic scholars we have with us are very strong enough. The team is fully ready now. From tomorrow onwards, the sessions will be beginning. Preference is given for first year BMS and entrance related topics as well. Second year, BMS students can get benefited, as the duration after lockdown to exam schedule is very less. They can keep listening to these posts and they can interact with the faculty to clarify their doubts. Multiple faculties from every subject are being approached, and they have readily agreed to come live over our page and deliver many lectures. There may be a question to every student or everyone who is viewing this, that why so delay in starting this. Of course, we are definitely late, but we'll be definitely latest. And with that view, though it is late, we'll be taking it till the examination schedule of various states. Say around 3-4 months, we'll be definitely engaging these sessions over live and giving best of best faculty introducing various different concepts of all 14 subjects of Ayurveda starting from first year BMS to final year. In between, the respective subject heads will be giving hints for entrance related questions and entrance related topics which are probably most expected for the entrance examinations, and PG students can also get benefited with critical concepts if requested will be definitely elaborately spoken by the faculty. So the sessions which will be conducted over the Tadvidya Sambhasha page will be definitely watch quality is arranged to various pages, various Facebook accounts, and requesting every student community practitioners to stay tuned to these subjects as they will be pre-informed through notification to the page likes, whoever is liking the page and whoever is in friend list of Tadvidya Sambhasha Parishad. And definitely the videos of the faculty, whoever is dealing with the various subjects, will be downloaded and it will be posted over YouTube channel of Tadvidya Sambhasha Parishad. So YouTube channel is also there, which is specially created for these live sessions. Respective faculty name with the topic and elaboration will be posted in couple of days of the session to the YouTube channel, and students can also take benefit of that and share for their friends during this lockdown period to get benefited with the subjects which are poorly covered due to the technical issues, but will be definitely covered here over the Tadvidya Sambhasha page. Here all viewers are also requested to and follow Instagram of Tadvidya Sambhasha Parishad, subscribe to YouTube channel of Tadvidya Sambhasha Parishad, and like the page Tadvidya Sambhasha on Facebook to get the notifications regularly and have discussions which are helpful in academics as well as clinics. The faculty speaking over this page are not only academicians, they are definitely a very good clinicians. They will be sharing their clinical experience wherever it is needed, and legends of Ayurveda will be taking the sessions over this page in between, like Dr. Abhijit Saraf sir, who will be taking very interesting concepts, critical concepts over this page. Dr. Prashant A.S. sir, we have approached, sir will also extend his help. Like this, so many are there. Not to disclose the name as so early, will be keeping pending and will be updating oftenly about the faculties. Most of the difficult subjects like Prasuti Tantra, Kaumara Bhritya, Panchakarma, Kaya Chikitsa, Shalya, Samhitas, Roganidana, Dravyaguna, Agata Tantra are being covered by experts over this page. So there is no limit for studying from any corner, though you may be taking sessions, attending the Zoom app related live classes, but still you can definitely hit like button to this Tadvidya Sambhasha page and get benefited with all subjects. With this, the introductory session was organized to give the importance of this, and requesting all the viewers to share their views and their need for this session which is being conducted. I am happy that Dr. Anand Katti sir is watching this live. Blessed to have you sir for this live session for today. Wish to have your sessions in future, and thank you everyone for being with us. Please like, share and share to all social media. Let all Ayurveda faculty get benefited out of this. Thank you one and all.